Want to hide a section in Elementor? I'll show you how to do it quickly and easily. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if it helps you out. Also, just for your information, my Elementor affiliate link is in the description. If you're planning to try it, I'd really appreciate the support. Now, start by opening your browser and logging into your WordPress admin panel. From the left menu, go to Pages, click on All Pages, and choose the page you want to edit. I selected the home page and clicked Edit with Elementor. Once the editor loads, click on the section you want to hide. When it's selected, the left panel will switch to Edit Container. Click on the Advanced tab, scroll down, and open the responsive section. Here, you'll find 3 visibility toggles: Hide on Desktop, Hide on Tablet Portrait, and Hide on Mobile Portrait. By default, all are off, which means all the sections you make will be visible on all the versions. But to hide the section on desktop, just toggle on Hide on Desktop. Now hit Publish in the top right corner of the page and visit your web page on desktop. You'll see the section is gone, but still visible on tablet and mobile. If you want it back, just go back to the Elementor editing panel, toggle off Hide on Desktop, hit Publish again, and refresh your web page. You will see your section back again on your web page. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.